So you're going to remove the oil filter, you're going to lift up this cover, just pops up, takes it out of the way. The oil filter is just here, you can kind of see it there. It is a 32 socket, you will need a wobble. It's a bit difficult to get the bar in straight down. So I have this pre-loosened with the new filter on it. So this is a brand new Audi filter. So you're going to fit this new rubber gasket seal there, and you're going to oil them with fresh oil, including that little blue seal there. And you can pop it down. It actually does have a torque on it. It's 25 plus 5, so it could be 30 Newton meters. So just pop that back down. Torque it to spec. So it's just down there. So coming in from the front, there's going to be a cover here, which is, I have it down here. So there's going to be a load of, I think there are 25 Torexes or 20 Torexes, and then 2 kind of pull out clips, so this part pulls back on them and then that'll pull out, so you'll see them all the way around. There's a heap load of them, and then the 2 clips, actually this is the back, so the 2 clips go in at the back here. And then what we're going to look at is the bung itself. It's this little plastic bung, right? So this is a replacement. They give you a new O-ring on it from Audi. So what you'll do is you literally just turn it out with a flathead screwdriver. There is a special tool for it, actually. I do have one, but you don't need it. I'm after draining the oil out already on this vehicle, so we're just going to turn it. So we're just going to turn it and then put a flathead screwdriver in, and it will literally, you can't go anymore, so you don't need to put much pressure on it. That's it. It's kind of locked in there a little bit. Kind of goes on a little dowel. I also put a small bit of oil on, new oil on the O-ring. So once you have the oil filter torqued down and the bung back in, you want to put some oil in it. So you want to put the right spec for your car. You want to put about 5 litres, 4.7 litres in, and then run the engine till it's hot, and you'll be able to read the level from inside on the dashboard display. So you want to press the home button and go to car, settings, oil level. It will display this, so you'll have to get the engine up to temperature. So at the moment the car is cold, so I'll let this idle till the temperature gets up and then recheck it. Can take a good few minutes for this to run through. So after you get the car hot, you go back into the oil and you have to wait for 2 minutes, and then you'll see this. So I had to top the oil level up a little bit, so it probably took around 5.5 litres, maybe a little tiny bit more. So just top it up till you get to the max and job done. Make sure you test drive the vehicle, make sure there's no leaks from the oil filter or the bung.